Restorative practices are a great way to check in and connect with each other. Restorative practices are a great way to resolve conflict and hold people accountable for their actions. Restorative circles are a way for everyone to have a voice. In restorative circles, both students and adults share their experiences, opinions, and feelings. Let's try one. The purpose of this circle is to create a conversation that leads to understanding and action to set things right, repair harm that has been done, and restore relationships. Opening round. Pick an emoji that best describes your mood over the past few days and explain why. Round number 1. What is something that has been on your mind lately? Round number 2. What do you need in this moment in order to have peace? Round number 3. Name one person, it can be a friend or even a loved one, who you can talk to today. Closing round. What is one word that best describes how you're currently feeling? Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media at Lessons for SEL.